Did you know that by 2026, AI is projected to add over $15 trillion to the global economy? That's not a typo, 15 trillion. While the world is buzzing about AI taking jobs, the smart ones are asking a different question. How can I use AI to create a new stream of income? You don't need to be a tech genius or have a ton of cash to get started. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 beginner-friendly AI businesses you can start today with little to no cost. First up, AI-powered content creation agency. Every business on the planet needs content. Blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, you name it. But creating it is time-consuming. That's where you come in. Using powerful AI writing tools like Jasper or Copy AI, you can generate high-quality, SEO-optimized content in a fraction of the time it would take a human. Your business model is simple. Charge a monthly retainer or a per-project fee to manage a company's content strategy. You become their outsourced marketing arm, powered by the efficiency of AI. This is incredibly scalable. You start with one client, then another, and before you know it, you're running a full-blown agency from your laptop. Next, we have AI-generated art and design services. You've seen those incredible images created by tools like Midjourney and DALL-E, right? What if I told you people are paying good money for them? You can offer services like custom logos, social media graphics, book covers, or even unique art prints for home decor. The entry cost is practically zero. You just need a subscription to an AI art generator. Your clients give you a concept, and you use your creativity and prompt engineering skills to bring their vision to life. You can sell your designs on platforms like Etsy or offer custom design packages on freelance sites like Fiverr and Upwork. It's a perfect blend of technology and creativity with unlimited potential. Third on our list is the AI automation consultant for small businesses. Think about all the repetitive tasks a small business owner does every day, answering common customer questions, scheduling appointments, managing inventory. It's exhausting. You can be the hero who saves them time and money. Using no-code platforms like Zapier or Make, you can build simple AI-powered automations. For example, you can create a chatbot for their website that handles customer inquiries 24/7 or set up a system that automatically sends follow-up emails. You don't need to write a single line of code. You just learn how these user-friendly tools work and sell your expertise. Charge a setup fee for each automation you build, and then a small monthly fee for maintenance. Number 4, personalized AI fitness and nutrition coaching. The health and wellness industry is massive, and everyone wants a plan tailored just for them. AI can deliver that at scale. Using AI platforms that analyze user data like age, weight, goals, and dietary preferences, you can create hyper-personalized workout routines and meal plans. You're not a doctor, but you're the tech-savvy coach who provides the plan. You can package this into a subscription service through a simple website or a mobile app. Your clients get a customized plan that adapts as they progress, and you get a recurring revenue stream. The demand for personalized health solutions is only growing, and AI puts you right at the forefront of this trend. Finally, the fifth idea, AI-powered niche website flipping. This one is for those who love to build and sell. The concept is simple. You pick a niche you're interested in, say, sustainable gardening or vintage cameras. Then you use AI to rapidly create a ton of high-quality content for a website. AI can help you with keyword research, article writing, and even generating images. Once the website starts getting traffic and maybe earning a little from ads or affiliate links, you sell it on a marketplace like Flippa for a profit. It's like digital real estate. You build a valuable asset quickly with AI, then flip it for a lump sum. Repeat the process and you've got a powerful, scalable business model. So there you have it, 5 real, actionable AI business ideas for 2026 that you can start preparing for right now. The future isn't about competing with AI, it's about leveraging it. All these ideas require minimal investment, use no-code tools, and have the potential to scale into a serious income. The barrier to entry has never been lower. The only thing stopping you is getting started. So my question to you is, which one of these AI businesses are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're thinking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more ways to build your future.